sure we'll give it a go anyway. 1, 2, giddy up! Ah, now, sure we'll give it a go anyway. 1, 2, giddy up! Hey! Hey! Giddy up! You're sitting in the corner with a face like a winter rain, staring at your pint like it caused you all the pain. The band is only warming, but the floor is looking bare, and the aunties have decided you're the man to start it there. Don't be waiting for a sign, don't be blaming someone else. If the craic is moving slowly, you must giddy up yourself. Giddy up yourself, get your boots off the shelf. If the whole room's feeling sleepy, giddy up yourself. Giddy up yourself, don't be bad for your health. When the rhythm starts a-calling, giddy up yourself. Hey! You don't need a racehorse, you don't need a fancy hat, you don't need a winning ticket or a tip from someone's dad. Just a little bit of backbone and a questionable move, a shuffle to the left now and a wobble in the groove. Don't be waiting for the choir, don't be ringing for the bell. If your feet are feeling lonesome, you must giddy up yourself. Giddy up yourself, get your boots off the shelf. If the whole room's feeling sleepy, giddy up yourself. Giddy up yourself, don't be bad for your health. When the rhythm starts a-calling, giddy up yourself. Giddy up, mind the change. Giddy up, you're nearly there. Giddy up, don't look down. There's a mighty little dancer in that awkward little frown. Mary's doing reggae, Paddy's doing jive, Tim is doing something that should not be done alive. The whistle starts a-singing and the bodron hits the wall. Now the quiet fella's skanking with his back against the hall. If Monday had you beaten, if Tuesday took your pride, if Wednesday left you wondering why you even tried, there's still a bit of music, there's still a bit of sun, and even if you're useless, you can uselessly have fun. Giddy up yourself, get your boots off the shelf. If the whole room's feeling sleepy, giddy up yourself. Giddy up yourself, don't be bad for your health. When the rhythm starts a-calling, giddy up yourself.